Hi there everyone. So today I'm going to show you how you can protect your Tuta account with a security key. Now in this tutorial I'm going to be using a Yubikey 5C NFC, but any security key should work for this. The only thing I will say is that it's recommended to have at least 2 security keys so that if you lose one you don't accidentally lock yourself out of the account. So to get this set up, what we need to do is first of all head to the settings in Tuta, and then you see the second factor authentication section. Hit the plus button here, and then you're going to make sure that security key U2F is the type of two-factor authentication you're going to be adding, and you're going to actually want to take the time to put in a descriptive name for your security key. So mine has kind of a rainbow sticker on it, so I'm going to call it a rainbow key. And the reason we want this to be descriptive is because if we do ever lose one and we want to remove it from our account, we want to make sure we're removing the right one. Okay, so I'm going to save that now, and then Chrome is putting up this thing about a passkey, but that's what the QR code is for. But because I'm not trying to save it on the device or on my phone, but I want to use my security key, we just have to follow the instructions here, which is to insert the key into the device and push the button. So I've put it in now, and I am pushing the button, and there we go. Now, this is actually a very important step, and that's to write down your recovery code for Tuta, because that's the code you're going to need if you lose your password for Tuta, or if you lose your security key and you haven't got access to another security key to get back in. Okay, so what I want to do now is show you what the process is like for logging in to Tuta once you've got the security key set up, because on the one hand, the security key is much more secure than an authenticator, but it's also really convenient because you don't have to type down or write in any codes that change. You just have to literally plug the device in and push the button. So here we go. So I'm going to type in my email address at Tuta and my password and log in. I'm going to say click to use security key, and I'm just going to push the button, and there we go, I'm logged into my Tuta account, which was nice and easy. So if you've been thinking about using a security key, I hope this is showing you how easy it is to set up and use, and I hope it gives you the little extra push to get yourself all set up and to maximize your online security. Have a good day, everyone.